Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, like I said, I was going to be coming back to do my coil out video on my finger coils, and this is what they've been looking like the past few days. I think it's been about 5 days. I'm not sure how long they've been up, 4 or 5 days. I haven't done anything to them. As you can see, the ones that were in the front that I tried to have going to the back, they actually fell to the front. I just let them do whatever they want to do on their own. Yeah, so over here, that one did nothing. The rest of them did curl, as you can see. They curled up a little bit. But these over here, it's a few that decided they weren't going to do anything. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut that off. And cut that one off that has some little straight ends on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and get into the actual coil out. So let me just clip those little ends off. Snip. I don't want to cut that because I'm going to do my twist out, so I don't know what kind of effect this is going to have when I do my twist out. Because that straight ends. Yeah, so basically when I do my coil out, I have some oil. I haven't put any oil on my hair since it's been up like this, so I'm sure it probably looks good and dry. I haven't sprayed any oil sheen on it. I haven't sprayed any conditioner on it. I've been horrible to my hair these past few days. I've been horrible. So my oil mixture is just a mixture of some of my favorite oils. Jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, black seed oil, wild growth hair oil. It's just some of my favorite oils that I like to use, and I just put some all in one container. Put a couple drops in my hand and basically just rub it through when I get ready to do my coil out. And I normally will just, because it's a bottle of some other oil that I used to use. It has some of this oil in it as well. I would actually just use the little dropper and put a little bit through to my scalp, and I actually did not even do this while my hair has been like this, but I will go ahead and do it now. Like I said, I've been horrible to my hair. Horrible to my hair this week in this Alabama heat. Okay, and basically when I do my coil out, all I do is separate them. Sometimes you may have to untwist it a little bit just to pull it and separate it. I start by separating in twos. Sometimes I don't get them all because I have a lot of coils up here. On the first day, I'm not very concerned because sometimes, you know, you just don't get them all, and you can't get them all. Like, I have to get ready to go, so I may miss some. But every day, I still separate more and more.
don't really have, like I don't like make sure that I get everyone, like go down the line and make sure I separate each and every one. When I do my coil out, I don't actually, you know, do all that. I just find one, pull it, and separate it.
And you can see it's starting to come in. I still got a lot to uncoil. I'm going to continue to uncoil in the back, and then I'll just pop back in when I'm done so that you can see what I do next. I don't want to bore you to death watching me pull these apart. Guys, so basically I have most of the twists untwisted, and I just kind of go through it and see where the ones that just look like they could be separated even more, and I'll do that. But pretty much this is good. There's still some in there that probably did not get separated at all, but you know, it's okay. So I take a little bit oil, a little bit more oil, just about a dime size amount, and go over that. I don't want these coils in the front to come to my face this time, so when I style it, I have to make sure that I style it out of my face. I pick. And pick through it and lift it up from the scalp. And I try not to fluff it too much on the first day that I do it, because it's going to get bigger and bigger as the next few days go. So I try not to manipulate it too much, so to keep down some of the frizz. I don't mind the frizz. I mean, I'm used to it now. And basically I just go through it, separate where I feel like I still need some to be separated, always continue to fluff, even though, like I said, I try not to fluff too much on the first day. Because it's gonna poof on its own. Alright, so this is about it. You can let me know what you think in the comments of my coil out. I like it, and I'll be separating it more and more every day, and it'll get bigger and fuller every day. I know I missed a lot of them in the back, but you know, it's okay. My daughter just left me to fend for myself with the camera. So I hope I'm in focus. And I don't mind for it to hang down in front. You know, it's just whatever you're feeling like. You know, when you see one sticking out doing its own thing, you know, you just tuck it back in. You know, it don't have to be a straight. That's just flying out on its own, but you know. The outcome of this style is basically different every time, so it gives me a different look every time. It never really looks like this every time. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it is what it is, but you know, this is my coil out and I like it. I hope you guys like it. You can let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.